Show your car, Gigi. Show me your car. Point to it. You like your car?
Right there.
You like your car? Is it like Grandpa's? Oh. Can you get into your car like Grandpa? Get in your car. Let me take a picture of you in your car. Okay. Turn your wheel so you can go around the other way. Bye. There she goes on her ride. Are you pedaling, Gigi? Turn the wheel. Woman driver. She's learning. There you go. Good job. She's going to the street. Turn your wheel the other way. There you go. That's the way. Are your feet going with the pedals? Yeah, I can see your feet moving. Good job, Gigi. You got a roadster. Hi. Beep, beep. Turn your wheel the other way. Go straight. Go straight. There you go. Princess, stay over here. Smile and wave. Can you wave? Georgie. Georgie.